Hey guys, Will here. Long time no see. Well, today I have a use case I want to present to you about the AirTags. They're basically tracking devices, but I was thinking, what if you know where your AirTags already are and you decide just to leave it there? And I call this use case zone intrusion. And essentially what you're doing is leaving the AirTag, and you have to leave it at a place that's not really it's not really trafficked by people. And I can see the use case maybe for like someone with a big property, like a farmer, or maybe you can use it for even your own backyard. So the idea is that when the AirTag is found, then you know that there's somebody around, and specifically that's someone with an iPhone with a Bluetooth running and with data plan, obviously. So that can let you know there's actually somebody was in that zone at that time period. So I think that kind of use is something unique and maybe useful. Maybe you have a storage unit across the town, you can leave one inside the unit, and if it's found, that means somebody has been there, and maybe you can check it out. Or you're on vacation, you leave it at your front door. And it's some kind of weird hour, 2 a.m. It ends up being found, and someone was at your front door in that 2 a.m. time period. So this whole idea is about detecting people instead of finding this thing and then basically planting your AirTag, or you could plant a bunch of AirTags if it's some kind of big property to discover people. So basically I'm outside because I'm gonna plant this at some kind of location nearby, and this location is essentially some kind of old shelter, maybe an air raid shelter. I think it's rumored to be built around World War II. This place is actually it's not really wasn't known by a lot of people, just by exploration people, urban explorers, until the whole pandemic thing. Everyone got into hiking and other kind of stuff, and it just became a popular site. So I was just thinking, how often is this place visited? And I basically collect that data by using an AirTag. I can just basically put it hidden somewhere around it, and then every time I get a notification, I know someone has been to this area. Someone with the iPhone. Chances are someone in a hiking group would have most likely an iPhone. So it's up there. I'm gonna head towards it, then I'm gonna plant this AirTag, and then I'll just start collecting the data and see what happens, see if this technique actually works. So let's go to this location. Going into the jungle. I'm gonna feed the mosquitoes. Oh yeah, there she blows. Hid it in plain sight. There we go. Kind of spooky, right? This kind of old, possibly an air raid shelter, built in who knows when. Built into the hillside, as you can see. Yeah. I know there's mosquitoes already, so let me get a little shovel. Got a little shovel. Let me plant this thing in here. Let me plant this somewhere nearby. How about, some people left garbage here. Let's just plant it here, who cares? See, I got it wrapped inside a Ziploc bag, sealed up. And hopefully I can find this later, because I should be able to find it later. Even if I forget where it is, just let it ring, do the find me. So, okay, now that's hidden. It's in there. Put a leaf on top of it. Nice. All right, okay. Let me just check with my phone if I'm still able to see it. And yeah, somewhere around here you can see, called the zone intrusion. Let's see. Can I play off the sound? Oh yeah. Can find it. Okay, so label it zone intrusion. It's here. Nice. This is the air raid. Make sure if you want to see what's in here, I'll put it in the second part, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm just kidding. How about I go in right now? I'm not gonna do that to you guys. If you guys are curious what's in here. Got my flashlight, MSRD4. Let's boost up the thing. Okay. Yeah. Check out the mud, kind of filled up. So this was definitely much lower. Oh yeah. Looks like it was got a lot of mud in recent times. Oh, somebody put a candle there. There's some lizard living in there. Okay, yeah, little gecko lizards. Ooh, why do people put candles in here? Probably for some kind of photo taking or maybe some weird people. Yeah, so cool, right? What? Duct tape? Someone being duct taped here? Damn, what a cool place. So look at this place. It's gotta be, it's gotta be almost 100 years old. Yeah, about 100 years old, this place. Dope. Very muddy now because of the rain recently. Oh man. Left that here. Tons of bricks. Some people speculate these are oil pipes coming in. Not sure. Anywho, this is the shelter, bunker, or air raid shelter, whatever it's rumored as. And it is more frequented. It was very uncommon for people to come here, but now it is a frequent place. And we're gonna determine, we got an air tag in the dirt. We're gonna determine how often people come here. Basically, I can collect that data. Dope. All right, make sure you like. If you like the idea of this whole zone intrusion, if you think there's any issues with it or you have better ideas, comment below. If you love the idea, hit the subscribe button. If you dislike the idea, hit that dislike button twice. Okay, see you guys next time.